And new at 5, the Sunnyvale Department of Public Safety finds itself in the crosshairs of a federal civil rights lawsuit. This after a police shooting last year took the life of a teenager armed with a knife. KTVU's Jesse Gary live for us in Sunnyvale tonight with more. Jesse?
Claudine, good evening to you. Sunnyvale police say they have not yet received a copy of the lawsuit, and as such, they don't have much to say. But the attorney representing the victim's family says the actions of one officer speaks volumes.
Senseless and avoidable killings such as this must be vindicated in the court of law, and an officer needs to be held accountable.
Oakland-based attorney Adanté Pointer Wednesday filing a federal civil rights lawsuit against Sunnyvale police and Officer Kevin Lemos in the shooting death of Emmanuel Perez Becerra. The 19-year-old had struggled with mental health issues since the COVID pandemic.
Drop the knife.
In March of 2024, Lemos was one of several officers responding to a 911 call that Perez Becerra had made himself for help. He was naked from the waist down and did not obey multiple commands to drop the knife he was holding as he slowly walked towards Lemos. The third-year officer fired 2 shots, killing Perez Becerra.
They didn't use any of the less lethal alternatives as it relates to weapons, and instead resorted to deadly force after giving commands. This officer should be fired. Officers need to be retrained.
In a text statement, department officials say the city has not yet received any notification of a lawsuit being filed, and we typically don't comment on any pending litigation. Last year, Sunnyvale's chief said his officers do receive extensive training and have less lethal options, such as tasers and pepper spray.
There are so many things going on in the mind of those cops when this is happening. There's time, there's space, there's movement. The circumstances are changing.
Daniel Maxwell is a retired police officer and criminal justice lecturer at the University of New Haven.
99 times out of 100, they're going to revert to what they've trained in the most, what they're most comfortable with in their training.
Plaintiff's attorney Pointer seeks to determine if that is true, adding Perez Becerra's family is left with a lifetime of discomfort and pain.
Every day is an agonizing day. And for them, the pain of the actual incident happening last March hasn't gone away. It hasn't dissipated. And I think most parents would understand that it never will.
The lawsuit seeks damages and a training overhaul of all officers here at the Sunnyvale Department of Public Safety. And we are live in Sunnyvale this evening. Jesse Gary, KTVU, Fox 2 News. Claudine, back up to you.